Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, we are from group 5. I'm Ikbar Arik and this is my two friends Alfin-Fikri-Ikbar and Fikri-Ikbar. In this video, we will talk about augmented reality for language teaching. Meaning of augmented reality. Augmented reality is a technology that expands our physical world by adding a layer of digital information to it. We can say that AR is the appearance of our real-world physical environment coupled with an object generated by a computer that changes the perception of reality. Component of AR. AR have several components. They are scanner item, virtual objects, marker or reality subject, and AR software. The first one is scanner item. Scanner item is an item that used as an intermediary to connect the real world to the virtual world. The example of scanner item is like a handphone. And second is virtual object. Virtual object is an object that will appear virtually in the item scanner as a form of interaction with the subject's reality. The form can be like image, videos, and 3D objects. And third is a marker or reality subject. Marker or reality subject is the subject that will trigger the appearance of the virtual object if it is scanned with the item scanner. And the last is AR software. AR software is the software or application that can be used to process AR creation. For example, it's like Happy Refill or Unit AR. How augmented reality works? The way augmented reality works is based on the image detection. And the image used is stroke a marker. And for the working principle is the item scanner, which has been calibrated with a virtual technology device, will detect existing marker. Then, after recognizing and marking the marker pattern, the webcam of the item scanner will calculate whether the marker matches the existing database. If not, then marker information will not be processed. But if it appropriate, marker information will be used to render and display virtual objects in the form of image, video, or 3D objects. The function of a technology in education. The more time goes by, the development of technology will continue to develop to be better than before. This shows that technology has made it easier for humans to do their jobs because more people can solve their various jobs problems. And one of the fields that can be helped by technology is education. By utilizing technology in education activities, students will become more enthusiastic in their learning. This is because students are currently very attached to various kinds of modern technology right now. For example, they know a lot of technology things such as the internet, social media, and electronic devices such as Android and laptops. So, because of that, learning activities will run productively and students can easily achieve the competencies that they need to achieve. And in this video, we will be able to find out how we use AR technology to be used in the language teaching. Utilizing AR in the language teaching. By using AR as a language teacher, you can take advantage of this technology to become an effective learning instrument for making descriptive text lesson. And this can be done in the following steps like this. First, prepare the things that must be used to make AR such as the AR application or software like Unit AR, and a scanner item like a handphone. And second, prepare a paper with the name of the animal that will be used as a marker. For the example is a paper with a dog name on it. And the third, prepare a dog image that will become a virtual object, or if you don't have it, you can select the 3D objects that has been prepared by the AR application, because all AR application has it on their gallery. And fourth, enter the AR application. To register first in order to access the AR making feature. because only the people who have registered in the application can make AR with that application. And fifth, after entering the AR Maker feature and completing the tutorial, start scanning one of the paper with the animal name using AR software via a cell phone. And then give it a virtual object to the marker or paper with the name of the animal that was scanned first. And sixth, after the process of making AR is complete, give order to the student to open the same application. And after that, ask them to scan the markers that have been determined. And this will trigger virtual objects, the example like 2D doc image or 3D doc image to pop out. And the last, after students see a virtual object in the form of a picture of an animal, give them the text to make a descriptive text based on the image that they have seen. And to make you understand better, we also provide a video tutorial for making AR. Hopefully you can understand it better, and this also can make you start interested in using AR as your learning instrument. Have a good time watching, everybody.